So this is how I was able to fix my TCL TV that the screen stays black even when I turn the TV on. So basically what I had to do is to find the power cable here, as you can see, and then what you need to do is that, I'm just gonna film it here, you have to actually remove the power cable. So remove the power cable, and now when you have done so, you're gonna locate the power button. So for me, the power button is just under the TCL TV logo here. For some of you, it might be on the side, so just look for the power button on the side, so either on the right side or on the left side, obviously. For me, the power button is right here. So what I had to do is that I had to click and hold this power button for about 20 seconds. Don't use your remote, just click and hold the power button when you find it for about 20 seconds. And now, after you have done so, just release it, and then you're gonna wait 2 to 3 minutes basically, and you're gonna plug your TV back in once again. So when you have done so, just come back and click one time on your power button, just click one time, then just wait for it to load. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load. So yeah, you can see this actually fixed it completely for me, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.